What is up, guys? Dan at the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock your Tabby account. So first, you need to head over to your Tabby's website by just simply typing tabby.ai slash your continent, and after that you just simply need to scroll down till the end and then click on contact. After clicking on contact, here you will open the support page or help center of Tabby. From here you need to click on support, and after clicking on support, here you need to click on contact us. After clicking on contact us, here you will see the option to contact Tabby. Simply click on contact Tabby or you can submit a complaint. But if you can't contact Tabby, just simply click on submitting a complaint, and after that you need to enter your complaint name by just simply clicking on click here. As you can see in the contact tab, you have the option to click here to make a complaint. After that, simply enter your name, enter your email, and after entering your name and your email, you just simply need to enter your problem like unblock. I'll just simply type unblock, and then this will show me all my keywords. As you can see, how can I unblock my Tabby card? Simply click on this, and after that click on send. And if they already have a solution, you will see the article on how to unblock your Tabby card. But if you can't see it, you just simply need to type in your problem and then click on send, and after that your Tabby account will be unblocked. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.